Welcome to Sacred Art High School. So let's start with science lesson number 10, cell and cell organelles. Topics to learn: structure of the cell, components of the cell, processes in the cell, cell organelles. Structure of the cell. Cell. Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. Cells are of different sizes and structures based on their functions. They form every organ in the body. Components of a cell. First one is cell wall. Structure. It's elastic and has a strong coat. Functions: to support, to protect and to prevent the entry of excess water in the cell. Found around cells of algae, fungi and plants. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. Structure: thin, fragile and elastic covering. Characteristics: protein molecules embedded in two layers of phospholipids. Functions: selectively permeable membrane, as useful molecules of water, salt and oxygen enter the cell. Unwanted molecules exit the cell. Maintain homeostasis. Present in all types of cells. Processes in the cell. Activities that consume cellular energy. Endocytosis, to gulp or engulf food and other substances from other environment. Exocytosis, to excrete waste materials out of the cell. Processes those don't consume cellular energy. Diffusion, entry or exit of small molecules like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Osmosis, the traveling of water from a part with more water to a part with less water through a selectively permeable membrane is osmosis. It is a physical process with three possibilities. Isotonic solution, medium outside and inside the cell has some proportion of water. Water does not go in or out. Hypotonic solution, the cell has less water than outside medium, so water enters the cell. This is called endomosmosis. Example: if raisins are kept in water, after some time they swell and become turgid. Hypotonic solution, the cells has more water than the outside medium, so water comes out of the cell. Example: if fruit pieces are kept in thick saturated solution, the water from the fruit pieces enter the sugar solution, so the fruit pieces shrink after a while. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid between plasma membrane. It is moving, sticky substance. Many cell organelles and nucleus are present in the cytoplasm. Cellular cytochemical reactions take place in cytoplasm. Vital substances like amino acids, glucose, vitamins, etc. are present in the cytoplasm. In animal cells, cytoplasm is more granular and dense, while in plant cell it is thin and mostly pushed to the periphery due to a large central vacuum. Cell organelle. Cell organelles are organs of the cell, specialized subunit with specific cellular function. Each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane. Except nucleus and chloroplast, all other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. Nucleus, covered by a double-layered porous membrane, one round nucleolus present, network of chromatin fibers present. Short, thick chromosomes are formed from chromatin fibers by condensation at the time of cell division. Functional segments on chromosomes are called genes. Endoplasmic reticulum, net-like structure having interconnected miniature tubes and sheaths filled with fluid, conducts various substances inside the cell. ER, that is the endoplasmic reticulum, is connected to nucleus from inner side to plasma membrane from outside. Golgi bodies, 5 to 8 cisternae which are hollow and flat sacs placed parallel to each other. Cisternae have different enzymes. The proteins coming from ER, that is the endoplasmic reticulum, are enclosed in vesicles. Vesicles come to Golgi bodies, that is cytoplasm. Lysosomes. Structure is simple. Single membrane bond sacs containing digestive enzymes, digesting the organic waste produced through metabolic activities in the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double-layered bond structure, porous outer membrane and deeply folded inner membrane. Folds are called cristae. The inner cavity has matrix containing ribosomes, phosphate granules and DNA. It is like a proteinaceous gel. Thank you.